Good morning, students. Today we are going to start Easter activity. Are you ready for that? Yes. Okay, let's start. Hello, students. Today we are going to do the Easter activity. For this, there are so many things are required now. Chart paper is required, light color. Dark color sheet is required for the same. Suppose blue is there, dark blue color sheet is. And black color glitter paper, scissors, Fevicol, scale, pencil and sketch pen. Now let's start our activity. First of all, take your light blue color sheet and in that first of all we draw bunny face. For that we will take a shape of oval. Here also some curve will be there like this. Okay. Now with the help of scissors I will cut it. Yes, after cutting we will get this type of shape. Now put your hands like this and little bit gap it will be there in finger between the fingers like that, and draw the sketch of your hand like this. Okay, we will start. After tracing, my hand is look like this. I think the same we will do here. We will just do the right hand sketch of the here, and this is our left hand. Cut. Same thing we will using here. We will keep our right hand here and draw the sketch on it like this. After tracing, my left hand look like this here. Now I will cut it. Cut both the hands. Now after cutting, my hands look like this. These shape will come. Now take a dark color sheet and draw ears on it. After drawing this one ear, just fold the paper and use the scissor and cut it. After cutting, I will get these types of, you also get the same shapes. Now take both the hands and stick these two ears on the hand with the help of Fevicol. Our hands will look like this. Now in the dark sheet again we draw cheeks. Now earlier we have drawn ears, now we draw cheeks and it should be in oval shape. This also we make it double, and with the help of scissor I will cut this one. Now our cheeks of bunny are ready and we will paste it on this light color paper, the face of the bunny. Let's start. Use Fevicol and paste the cheeks. And now we will paste the ears also of the bunny. Again we will apply Fevicol here. And now we will paste the face of the bunny over here. Like this. Now for mustache we take a dark color, black color glitter paper, turn it back and from here we draw mustache. First of all, two straight lines and from here we draw slanting lines. This side also, opposite side also. So we get this type of shape. Now we will cut it, and here one thing you just take here, when we cut the V shape it should be from here. See, yeah, don't cut it from the center, only the V shape from here it will come like this. After cutting, our mustache will look like this, and now we are going to paste on bunny face, right? Here we will apply Fevicol and paste it here. Now take your pencil and draw eyes of bunny. Now on this use black sketch pen. Now do the outline of eyes. Now after this we will make lips. Now if you have the googly eyes, then paste it here, and if you don't have, just make a eye here and eyes over here. So, and fill it with black sketch pen. Now our last step, that we have now paste the bunny nose with the help of Fevicol. And now this is our bunny is ready for Easter. As shown in picture, write Happy Easter on hands. Finally, our Easter activity is ready. Thank you.